So there was a very deep excavation. We had to go 38 foot deep.
During a hurricane, that flow can increase to over 40 million.
This facility was the only operating facility in the city.
Drawings don't do it justice until you go down in the inside and you look up. It's big.
Negative effects would be spills.
Okay, well, on a day-to-day basis, we treat raw sewage, use it as reclaimed water.
So it's one of 3 water reclamation facilities. Obviously very important processing the wastewater. It's even more so important in the light of the recent hurricanes when this facility was the only operating facility in the city. We had to shut down our 2 other wastewater treatment plants. So it is extremely important for each one of our facilities to be operational.
We are permitted to treat 20 million gallons a day of sewer water, wastewater. We usually only treat 10 million. But in a rain event during a hurricane, that flow can increase to over 40 million.
In emergency situations where it peaks, the wastewater comes in and we have more than we anticipated.
What would happen if the site didn't get up and running the way that it can handle that? What's the negative effects?
Negative effects would be spills.
So we chose a collaborative delivery method for a reason, CMAR, because of the complexity of the project and because we had to make a lot of decisions that had to involve everyone.
The benefits of collaborative design is the engagement. It's the involvement from top to bottom, really getting into the weeds and understanding what the main issues or main priorities of the project are. It's once you understand that and all of us get on the same page, from the contractor to the engineer to the city of St. Pete, that is why this project was successful.
As soon as PCL came on board, they were immediately, asking all the right questions and giving us advice on how to, maybe tweak some things here and there to do a better job of, construction, make it more constructible.
First is we constructed 15 million gallons of reject storage tanks with a lot of underground, big, deep underground pipe.
We added a new pump station that replaced the 2 existing coarse screening facility ahead of that pump station to protect the pumps, and then new fine screening on the back end of that. And then all of that was tied into a new odor control system.
So when I came in, I took over the influent pump station, started doing the excavating 30 plus feet down. And we are in Florida, so it does rain every afternoon. So you can only imagine when we go excavate, 3 feet down, we're already hitting groundwater.
We had to go 38 foot down from existing grade. We have essentially groundwater 4 foot below grade with the Gulf of Mexico less than a mile away. We battled hurricanes, we battled rain events. Now we got a big swimming pool that we have to make sure pumps are working. And as we're excavating this thing, we have significant loads from large excavators digging out inside the cofferdam to get down to grade. 2 60-foot excavators, long reaches on both sides, dump trucks lined up on both sides, digging down. As we went down, there was a very intricate sequence we had to do to make sure we got down safely into the right elevation so that this thing didn't collapse as we excavated it. We excavated down a certain amount, brought in the welders, the iron workers, put all the welders in, welded it all in place, dug down, same process. And we went down further to where we needed to be. Once we got to the bottom, that was a pretty significant feat, a big celebration, because this thing was very, very large. Drawings don't do it justice until you go down in the inside and you look up. It's big. This opened my eyes to, wow, this is who we are. The way we came together to get this done, it's just amazing.
St. Pete won its first Envision Award for the entire city.
We were the first project in the city to receive this award.
Keeping sustainability in mind, we focused on environmental, economic, and community goals.
It was very exciting and it was very hard work. It's not easy, but PCL stayed strong, the city of St. Pete stayed strong, and we actually did this.
Ultimately got our first award, and I'm very proud of that.
PCL and St. Pete did it.